Hey everyone, and welcome back to week number 2 of J-Term Entrepreneurship. I know you are excited to be here this morning and to get back to work on our projects, right? Okay, so today we begin production. Remember last week I went around to all the advisories and I said that we need to lock in our business ideas because this week now, week 2, we are not going to change these business ideas anymore because today we are launching off into production of all of the documentation and the presentation and everything that we need to have ready by the time we're pitching these ideas on Friday. Okay, so that is our big task today, is to get into production. However, before we just launch off into production on these business ideas, we need to make sure that across all the elements of our pitch, we're all following the same story. Okay, so we're going to spend some time earlier this morning really trying to hone in on what is the essential story that our business is trying to tell as we want to pitch this to other individuals. Okay, that's where we're really going to focus. We're actually going to start with comic books. Yay, fun. We're going to get a little bit of comic time this morning because it's Monday morning and we got to get a little bit of fun in our lives. So we're going to start there. Then from comics, we're going to start to morph into the concept of storyboarding. All right, you've probably done this in one of your classes in the past, but we're going to go ahead and take a deep dive and try to apply the storyboarding concept to your business ideas as you think about what the presentation of that business idea will be. All right, and what I'm really trying to get you to focus on with your storyboarding concept is the overall story that is going to be told across the presentation, the video, the prototype, all of those pieces together equaling one big story. That story is what we're trying to go for today in our storyboarding process. So mostly I want you thinking about the actual presentation that you're going to give. All right. You're actually going to do that storyboarding. And then, like we did last week with our business pitch ideas, with our value proposition project tuning, where we went to another class and we pitched our idea to that other class and then went through that step-by-step tuning protocol to give the I likes and the I wishes and I wonders. We're going to do that same thing except with the stories this week, okay? So you're going to make your storyboards. And then you're going to use those storyboards to go to explain how you're going to tell the story to another team that's working on the same stuff. And that team is going to give you the I wish, the I likes, the I wonder statements. And then you're going to switch and then you're going to help them out and by doing the same thing. Okay, so once we then have that feedback, that critical feedback from our classmates, we're going to go back into like a quick modification revision process. After that is complete, though, we're going to have sort of the core essence of the story that we want to tell about our business idea. So we've sort of locked in on our business ideas at this point. Today, we sort of want to lock in on what is the essential story that we want to tell about our business idea. All right, so the last thing then you're going to do today, when you get down to locked into here's the story we want to tell about our business, is you're going to go back to dividing up responsibilities. And today you're actually going to make those selections about who's going to do what to get the job done by Friday. And the last thing you're going to do today is begin. Once the responsibilities are assigned, people then have tasks. You can then start rolling out, working on your tasks, okay? And I'll have some guidance about what each of those tasks should be and where each of the groups should start on completing those different tasks. Okay, so a lot of work ahead of us today. Going to be a lot less video content, a lot less sort of business idea kind of stuff happening this week. This week is about now trying to get the job done, get a great presentation by Friday. Okay, begin. I will be around, coming in, checking in, seeing how these stories are developing today. As you have questions, write them down, and when you see me, ask me. Okay. Welcome back and happy Monday, everyone.